My dear friends, hearty welcome to this business session on importance of accounting education for job seekers, businessmen, industrialists, existing accountants, and civil service aspirants. This lecture is given by the Managing Director of ET&T Private Limited. Let me start with a small introduction. Respected chairperson, distinguished guests, learned faculty members, dear students, and ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. It is indeed a privilege and a matter of great pleasure for me to share my knowledge on the topic, the importance of accounting education. In the modern world, accounting is often called as the language of the business. Just as language helps us communicate ideas, accounting helps organizations to communicate financial information, financial performance, and accountability. Without proper accounting knowledge, no organization, whether small or large, can function effectively. Today, we are living in the era of globalization, digital transformation, and complex financial system. In such an environment, accounting education has become not merely a subject of study, but a vital life skill and professional necessity. Let me briefly explain the importance of accounting education for different sections of society, for job seekers, businessmen, industrialists, existing accountants, and civil service aspirants. First, let me concentrate on accounting education and the job seekers. First and the foremost, accounting education plays a significant role in enhancing employability among young graduates, that is, job seekers. For job seekers, accounting education opens the door to numerous career opportunities. Today, the corporate sector, banking institutions, financial services, consulting firms, and government organizations require professionally trained accounting personnel. A student with strong accounting knowledge can pursue careers in the areas such as financial accounting, auditing and assurance, taxation, cost and management accounting, banking and financial services, corporate finance, and financial analysis. Moreover, the growing adoption of digital accounting platforms, enterprise resource planning, ERP, we used to call it as ERP system, that is the enterprise resource planning system, and financial analytics. Nowadays, lot of accountants are there, no doubt in it, my dear friends. But the financial analysis is a very technical issue. Everybody cannot do it. Only the accounting educated persons, and that too very disciplined accounting educated persons, can only do this work of financial analysis. So financial analytics has expanded the scope of accounting careers even further. In the present competitive world, accounting skills significantly enhance the employability. Many companies today prefer candidates who understand financial statements. Many companies today prefer candidates who understand budgeting, taxation, and digital accounting system. Therefore, my dear friends, accounting education equips job seekers not only with technical competence but also with analytical decision making abilities, which are highly valued in the modern labor market. Okay, now let us go to the importance of accounting education for the businessmen and the entrepreneurs. Businessmen is entirely different from entrepreneurs. lot of differences that we will see in the other class. What is the difference between the businessmen and entrepreneurs, that we will discuss in the other class. But this is a importance of accounting education for the businessmen and entrepreneurs. Let us concentrate here about the importance of accounting only. Okay, dear friends, let us go to this part. For businessmen and entrepreneurs, accounting is not merely a record keeping activity. But many people are thinking accounting is nothing but it's a record keeping activity. Whatever we do, that will be recorded properly and that will be recalled. It's not like that. It's not merely a record keeping activity. It is a powerful tool for decision making. You know what is the importance of decision making? I will tell you in another another class. A businessman and entrepreneur who understand the accounting can know the profit, can know the loss of his business, can know what he is doing inside the business, what he can know what he is doing, what are the economic activities he is doing inside the business and enterprises. So he can know the profit or loss of his business. Then he can control the cost and expense. This is a major problem, my dear friends, today. Many people, you start from A to Z, start from politics to the schools, start from industries to the trade unit, start from the consumer to the customer, whatever it is. The people do not know how to control cost. The people do not know how to control the expenses. Why the cost of the product is going up to this limit? If the government want, they can very easily control the cost. But it is a technique. Who can do it? Only the person who is getting mastery, who is getting expertism in accounting education. He can only do this. Everybody cannot do this because it is a tool and it is a powerful tool and it is a technology. So he can understand, the businessman and the entrepreneur can understand how to control the cost and expenses. Then he can evaluate the financial health of the enterprise. Financial health, our body, physical health, if we don't evaluate periodically, then we will be ending in a lot of diabetes, BP and whatnot. All the diseases will come. The same manner, the financial health of that particular body of the business should be evaluated regularly. So only the accounting education, if you are thorough with that, you can do this evaluation. Then plan future expansion. Then manage cash flow effectively. Cash flow, it's a liquid asset, my dear friends. So that liquid asset is to be managed very effectively. Without proper accounting knowledge, the business decisions may be taken blindly. See, if you have no accounting knowledge, whatever the business decision you are taking, there will be no route for that, there will be no correction for that, nothing. So you will take the decision very blindly. A blind man, how can he travel on the road full of traffic? You understand what will be the effect. Therefore, accounting education empowers the businessman to take scientific and informed financial decision. Next, let us concentrate on accounting education for the industrial development. My dear friends, I am telling in between lot of information, data I am giving. In development is something different from growth. Management is something different from development. Many people are confusing growth, development, management, administration, lot of things. Everything we are going to see in the forthcoming classes. Okay, now let us see this. In the context of the industrial growth, accounting education plays a vital role in ensuring financial control, operational efficiency, and corporate accountability. See, this is industrial growth. Industrial organization operate with large capital investment, multiple production process, predictionary process, and complex financial structures. Accounting system we need. So what is the accounting system we need? Such as cost accounting, management accounting, and financial analysis. I tell you, my dear friends, nowadays in India and almost in international countries, some international countries are very much particular about the financial accounting and management accounting, cost accounting, financial analysis. financial analysis of this, the financial statement analysis, lot of things they are very expert. Some only few countable countries, but majority of the countries, say they don't have the accounting base. Simply they sit and they take the decision. That's all. They are going as it is. So accounting systems we require: cost accounting, management accounting, and financial analysis. For everything, three things are very important. CMA. I used to say always CMA. What is this? Cost is very important. Then M stands for management. How the whole organization is to be managed. And cost you are having that awareness, and management you are doing. Then what is the end? For that purpose, accounting is very much essential. That is why I used to advise all my friends, growing friends like you, first you go for CMA class. CMA class, that is means, previously it was called as a Institute of Cost and Works Accountant of India. Now I think they have changed the name, Institute of Cost and Cost Accounting of India. So now, so cost management accounting is very important for any field. You take personal life, you take political life, you take economic life, you take anything you take. Cost is very important. How it is to be managed is very important. After that, what has happened, to know the final result, accounting is very important. Okay, dear friends, these three systems enable the industrialists to control production cost, to improve the efficiency, and to maximize the profitability. These are the three expectations from the business industrial for the industrial development. The three things are the occupying as the main weight loading pillars: production cost, improve the efficiency, and maximize the profitability. Okay, furthermore, transparent accounting practices enhances corporate governance. What is corporate governance? We will discuss in another class. Investor confidence. What is this? We will discuss in another class. Now you understand, since it is, I am concentrating only on importance of accounting education. So I am going to give, my dear friends, I am going to give one small clue for you, that we are planning to, our ET&T company is planning to introduce a certificate course, professional certificate in accounting education in different say stages. You may say it is only a primary, then after that sole trader, then partnership, corporate accounting, then combined of all. So like that, just we are having that ET&T is planning like this, that I will give you in the during the time course. Now you see, furthermore, the transparent accounting practices enhance the corporate governance, investor confidence, and regulatory compliances, which are essential for substantial industrial development. Previously, I told you about the industrial growth. Accounting plays a vital role in efficiency, financial control. Here you see, for what are the items are very much important here for the sustainable industrial growth: corporate governance, investor confidence, and regulatory compliances. These are the essentials for the industrial development. Thus, accounting education serves as a strategic instrument for industrial progress and industrial stability. Okay, dear friends, this is importance of accounting education, accounting education for industrial development. Now let us concentrate on accounting education for the existing accountants. So there are a lot of very good accountants are here, no doubt in it. Excellent accountants are here. Even my students, they are doing excellent performance. Sometimes my students used to come to me, sir, I am facing this type of problems, how to solve this problem. Then we used to sit in a coffee table and on a coffee table, and we will just discuss, and very important. Sometimes my students knew a lot of things more than what I knew. So I'm very happy to meet my existing students as accountant. Many chartered accountant, 40 years of service. So I have produced a lot of IAS officers, IPS officers, IRS officers, bank managers, and even this chartered accountant, cost accountant, management accountant. A lot of people are here. Many people are coming and asking whenever they have faced some new problem. they used to come to me. We will sit and discuss how to solve these issues. So like that. So accounting education for the existing accountant, how for this accounting education is further helping the existing accountant. Let us see now. For practicing accountant like chartered accountant, cost accountant, management accountant and other accountant, accounting education cannot remain static. Dear friends, please note, many people are telling accounting education is a static. Definitely not. Accounting education is getting changed every day. In fact, this is the only field every year, every day, every minute is getting changed. So cannot remain static. Now the profession requires continuous learning and adoption. That is, this is my sincere advice to my existing students working as a accountant or even IAS officers or IPS officers. I am telling you, my dear friends, whatever be your load of work, don't forget to see your learned accounting practices. Okay, continuously you go on, repeat it, learn the new adaptations, what are the things are available, what are the new accounting developments, chartered accountant. So when a magazine is coming, you just refer it, what are the new development, organize some seminars, conferences, call some very intelligent people, ask their views, then you learn a lot of things. The financial environment today is rapidly evolving due to developments such as what are the things are developing in our accounting field. Digital accounting system, digital accounting technologies, goods tax, service tax, goods tax regulations, service tax regulation, goods and service tax regulations, international financial reporting standard IFRS. Please note IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards. Then financial data analytics. Financial data analysis is very important, my dear existing accountants, because you are accountant, and due to some of your load of work, you will be forgetting or you will be getting depreciated if you don't understand the latest developments of the financial data analysis. Even I have written many articles. Don't forget to read my articles. Okay. Now, artificial intelligence applications in accounting. Nowadays many people start talking about this AI. Now, artificial intelligence applications in accounting, that also you take a new course and complete the degree or certificate, whatever it is. Take a diploma in that. Don't mind to spend for learning lot of things. You spend more amount in learning lot of things. Okay, dear friends, then therefore continuous professional accounting education helps accountants to update their knowledge, maintain personal professional competence, and to uphold the ethical standards expected of the profession. Accounting education thus becomes the lifelong learning process for accounting professional. That's what I have already told you. Initially, I have told you accounting is lifelong learning process. Okay. Then next we will see importance of accounting education for civil service aspirants. Civil service aspirants, in fact, they are the heroes of administration. See, they are advising the government. They are advising the political people. Political people know nothing. They are elected and selected by the public. Who are public? Many public is a combination of all, goods and bads. So we can't expect from the publicly elected selected person they have known everything. So for them, to who will advise? Only the civil service people, the 26 branches, 22 branches, they advise the politically, elected selected people. So for them, I am just telling you, for you, my dear IAS officer, IPS officer, IRS officers, and all other civil service officers, for you, accounting is very much important. Even if you have cleared your civil service examination without studying accounting, I advise you, because I am 68-year-old man and I am a professor, I have every right to advise you. So I advise you to take somebody's help, or even you just consult me to learn accounting process. Accounting is very important for you. Accounting is like oxygen for you. Without accounting, it's very difficult to survive in your administration world. Okay, so please learn accounting education. I'm going to introduce the certificate courses. Please come and join. It's a very nominal rate only. You can come and join. I will conduct the classes for you all people. Okay, so you think accounting, oh, it's not important for me, it is for specialized people. It's not, you are specialized. If you are not specialized, who else will be the specialized? Because you are our in a local language, if I want to say, you are our boss. You are political people boss. You are everybody's boss. If your signature is there, then only the government work will move. So you have so much of importance. So dear friends, the another important dimension of accounting education lies in public administration and governance. Accounting knowledge is also highly beneficial for civil service aspirants. I told you just now. Civil servants are responsible for managing public funds. And this is my word. Civil service are responsible for managing the politically selected and elected people. We can't expect they will understand everything. Okay, public funds and implementing development. You only know how to implement it. Implementing the development programs and ensuring financial accountability. Dear friends, now you are officer, you may be chief secretary, you may be education secretary, you may be public secretary, you may be any secretary, but if you don't know how to control the financial accountability, then then whatever you learned, everything will go waste. See, the real responsibility is lying not on anything but on finance. Okay, so they must, that means the civil service aspirants must know government budgeting. Today our honorable finance minister, respected madam, is telling me, really I wonder how much she is analyzing. Excellent. The financial analysis is a very excellent on her part. Okay, government budgeting. Then you should know what is financial for the public finance management, and you should know what is public finance, and you should know how to manage the public finance. Then what is audit system? Then you should know financial accountability. Okay, so all these things, you should know properly. Yes, sound background in accounting helps administrator ensure transparency, prevent misuse of public funds, and promote good governance. Promote good governance. These are the three things, These are, even I can say in Hindi, the people use, एक एक आदमी अपना अपना मंत्र सीखना है. So as a financial civil service aspirants, आपका मंत्र, आपका मंत्रम क्या है? You have to ensure transparency, prevent misuse of public funds, and promotion of good governance. Okay, dear friends. Thus, accounting education contributes not only to business efficiency but also national development and responsible administration. Okay, dear friends. Then we will go to this latest one, digital era. Digital accounting education in the digital era. Now everything is going on digital now. Phone number, previously we used to just make a round sound like that, we used to do it, but now it is not, just digitally 9434281154, like this, just you press the button, you will get everything. Digital era. Now we are living on the digital era. Okay, today the accounting is undergoing a major transformation with technology. Modern accountants use computerized accounting system, clouds accounting, financial data analytics, enterprise resource planning. Previously I have already told you, ERP system, enterprise resource planning. See, these systems are very, very important in the digital era. Okay, therefore, accounting education must combine the traditional accounting principles with modern digital skills. Educational institutions must also focus on practical training, professional ethics, and industrial exposure so that the students become competent professionals. some some I'm not blaming all the teachers. Some teachers, only for the namesake they are going to the class and engaging the class. They are not teaching the class, they are engaging. Say they used to give some wit, students are laughing, now these people are happy, time is over, they are coming now. So ultimately, how much quantity of knowledge is went inside the student's brain? Nothing. Now, practical training, you have to combine the accounting principles with the modern digital skills. Education institution must focus practical training, professional ethics. I am very sorry to say, my dear friends, nowadays this is highly wanted, but many people lack of this quality, professional ethics and industrial exposure, so that the students become competent professionals. Okay, so these are the what to say, six role of accounting in the present stage, the importance in 6 places, whatever I have told you in 6 places. So dear friends, in my conclusion, I wish to say accounting education is not limited to accountant alone. Many people are thinking like that only. Oh, it is only for BCom students, it's only for MBA students, it's only for, no, it's not like that. Accounting education is just like inhaling oxygen for our health. It is a foundation for economic growth. It is a basis and a base for economic growth, business success, and responsible governance. Accounting education today stands at the intersection of the business management, financial accountability, and economic development. For job seekers, it provides career opportunities. It opens pathways to diverse professional careers. For businessmen and entrepreneurs, it enables better decision making. It strengthens decision making capacity. For industrialists, it ensures financial efficiency, financial control, corporate transparency. For practicing accountants, it supports professional development and it sustains professional competence. For civil service aspirants, it strengthens the public financial management, which is very important nowadays. It promotes responsible governance. This is another pillar for the civil service aspirants. And the third pillar is public accountability. If you know the accounting knowledge, if you have the accounting knowledge, then only you will be successful in the 3 pillars. Therefore, promoting high quality accounting education is not merely an academic objective. It is a national economic necessity, my dear friends. I do not know how many people are going to see this video, but this is a fact. Let me conclude with a thought. Sound accounting education to sound business, sound governance, and ultimately a sound economy. See, the word sound accounting leads. Sound business, sound governance, ultimately a sound economy. To get a sound economy, you need sound accounting. This will lead you for all these things. A nation that strengthens its accounting education strengthens its economic discipline, financial transparency, and sustainable development. So, what is the meaning of this? This is my thought. A nation that strengthens in its accounting education, any country, if they concentrate on accounting education to their students, my simple doubt is there is some view among these students, my dear friends. Accounting, it is only for BCom students. It is a very, unwanted thinking. Accounting is, in fact, I am telling, accounting education is must for the MBBS doctor also. It is engineering also. IAS, there should be a branch separately. Accounting education, if anybody is having no accounting knowledge, then it is very difficult to travel in his life. So, a nation which strengthens the accounting education, that means what? It strengthens its economic discipline, it strengthens its financial transparency, it strengthens its sustainable development. So don't forget to watch the next video on certificate of accounting skills. Now we are planning to introduce a professional certificate course in accounting. Basic and individual sole trader, partnership, corporate accounting, special accounts, lot of things, lot of certificates program we are planning. So please don't forget to see the other, about which I will give you a separate video, and please see this. Okay, dear friends, now I am coming to this last portion. Thank you for your peaceful listening and careful attention. I am the managing director of ET&T, and let us see in our other class. Okay.